Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to show you the complete Windows Movie Maker tutorial for beginners. So I will show you on how you can use and get started with this application. So first up here, you just need to go to Microsoft Store, and from here, you just need to search for Windows Movie Maker, just like this, and then you will find that application. So basically, you'll find right here. So it has 4.7 average star right here. And here, basically, you just have to install it to your computer. Or you can go to the Google Chrome right here. And if you're going to search for Windows Movie Maker, and then here, basically, you will find also this application and you can install it using your browser. Now, I already installed it to my computer, so I am going to click on this open button. So basically, by default, it is on a free version, but you can actually get the pro version if you want, so you can unlock several features on this video editor. Now, once you install this application and you open this one, as you can see here, you will find your basic dashboard where you can find here some quick tools like convert video, record screen, convert photo, color grading, etc. etc. And also here you will find some options if you want to create new project. So as a beginner, if you want to create your first project, so you can basically click this one, or you can go here on manage projects where you can view and open your save project, or you can go to your recent project. So in this sample, I'm going to click on create new project. So as you can see, this is the main video editor page. Now the first thing that we can do here is basically we're going to add a clip. So here you will find some options. You can basically choose current position, beginning of project, or end of project. So here I'm going to select beginning of project, and then I'm going to click on photo and video and select the media that you want to add to your editor. For example, okay, I'm going to add this one and also this one here, and click open. So as you can see, I have two videos here. 13 seconds video. I have this 30 seconds video and also the 35 seconds video. At the bottom, you will find some options. For example, if I'm going to settings, here you will find some settings. Under general, you will find here audio. So basically, you can check or uncheck this audio synchronization. So basically, you can synchronize audio with some music videos. And also we have video aspect ratio. You can select the video ratio or aspect ratio. For example, here I'm going to select the 16:9 because I'm going to create a YouTube video. Now here on video clips, we have some transitions. So you can set default transition effect, random or specific. So you can select specific transition here if you want fade, black fade, wave, wind. So just like that, as you can see, you will find some lock icon. Basically, if you're going to click on this one, you need to have a pro version to basically unlock all the lock features right here. And also, you can check this apply to all existing videos. So it will be applied to all of your videos on your timeline. Now on transform, you will have some options here like set default transform effect. You want random specific, you have fit, or you have this one, or fill, and you can also apply to all existing videos. And also we have duration, transition, transform, and motion. So once done, just click an OK button. Other feature here that we can find is this video clip volume. So as you can see, you can change the level of the volume of the video if you want a lower volume or if you want an higher level volume. So as you can see here, and we have also transform. For example, if you want fill or you want like this. So as you can see, so this is what it looks like. So if I'm going to play, so there have it. So you just need to select here. So for example, I'm going to select this one. So there you go. So as you can see, it blurred the background right there, and you can just basically select any of the options here. And we have some transition if you want to add fade, for example, if I'm going to play. So there you have it. So you just need to select any of the transition here. We have black fade, wave, wind, so just like that. And also we have some lock features here, so you can basically select a free transition if you are on a free version. So for example, I'm going to select this wave, so I'm going to play this one. Okay, so there you have it. So I like that. Now here we have a rotate, so basically you can just rotate your video if you want. And also we have here the three dots, which is the more tools. Here we have some other features here that you can add to your video, like this split video. But if I'm going to click on the split video, as you can see, this feature is only available on the pro version. Would you like to purchase the pro version to unlock all features? So you can buy now or maybe later. So I'm going to click maybe later. Now other tools here, we have trim video. So if I'm going to use the trim video, then you will find this one. You will see the timeline here. For example, I'm going to select just like this. For example, I'm going to add trimmers, and then here I'm going to move it from this one. All right. Once done, you just need to click OK. And as you can see, it will now divide it into two videos. The first clip and the second clip right here. So as you can see, we have just used that trimming video feature. We have also like enhanced video. For example, I'm going to click on enhanced video. So here you can basically select any effects that you can apply to your video. For example, if you're going to click on add effect right here, so basically you can just select sepia, grayscale, vignette, saturation, contrast, exposure, or brightness. For example, if you want to use this sepia, basically you can change the intensity level. For example here, so I'm going to let's set it to the default. So just like this, you can add effect like this one. Again, you can just add the amount. So depending on your preference that you would like to apply to your videos, right? So here we have also like color grading. So same as the editing effects. So you can just change to like this one, Clarendon, Gingham, Moon. We have Lark, we have Juno, we have also Slumber. So just like that. So I like this one. If we're going to compare, just click or toggle this one on. So this was the original video and this is the edited video. So you have a lot of options here that you can basically use for free. Okay, once done, just need to click on the OK button. Or you can basically preview your video right there. Or you can play this right here to see your video. So right there. Other tools here, we have like visual effects. So if I'm going to click on visual effects, so here you can add effects. So I'm going to click this add effect right here at the top right, and then basically here I'm going to select effect here. For example, so I'm going to like preview my video here with that effect. So there you have it. So you just have to like, if you don't want this effect, just click on this X button and you can add another effect, for example, so like this, and then you just have to click on preview. So yeah, there you have it. Once done here, just click on OK button, right? And we have also other options like rotate and flip. Now on the next tool here, we have also text photo shape overlay. So if you can basically like add some overlays to your video. For example, you want to add a text, for example this one here, right? So for example, I'm going to like add a text like dancing. Then you can adjust the font size if you want bigger font, and also you can change the font style here. For example, this one. All right, you can change the formatting, and also you can add some effects, for example here, so just like that. So you can change the color right here. All right, so just need to select that and then just adjust the level. And once done here, just basically click on OK and save this one. We have also photo overlay. Click on this one. You can add a photo. For example, you can just go to your photo and add some photos. For for example this. So as you can see, you can add some image to your video. So there have it. And also we have like shape overlay, so you can add a shape. For example, I'm going to add a circle shape here. So as you can see, multiple emoticon is not available on free version. You have to subscribe or purchase the pro version to unlock this feature. So there you have it. We have the image overlay and the text overlay. Once done, click on OK button. So other tools here, we have also sound effects. So here you can add some sound clip. For example, here you can select the sound clip that you want. So basically these are all free. So for example, go okay, so there you have it. If you want this one or this one here, okay, going to click OK if you want to add that, or just basically click this icon to delete that sound clip. All right. And also here we have other options like transcode source file, and also we have the all settings. So here you can basically edit your video using all of the settings. So you can just select right here, transitions, and the general settings right here. Now at the bottom, you will find here arrange clips. So you can just arrange your clips. Either you want it to be on the front or start of the video, or you want it at the end of the video. So you just have to drag and drop it like that, so you can arrange the video that you want. And also we have edit soundtrack. So here you can insert a music, built-in music tracks, local music files, or music from Pixabay. Or you can add a voiceover. Just click on this one. You can insert voice clip, or you can record your voice. And also you can zoom in or zoom out. Now if I'm going to click on the save video right here, as you can see, do you want to save the current project? So if you're going to click on yes, as you can see, save project is not supported on free app version. So I'm going to click maybe later. And here just need to select the video encoding options if you want video resolutions to HD, Full HD, or 4K. So basically I'm going to select Full HD. And the video format, if you want MP4, WMV, or MP4. So I'm going to select this first, this one here. And we have also video frame rate if you want 24 FPS, 30 and 60 FPS, or video encoder, and also we have video bitrate. Right, so if you're okay with the settings, you just have to click on this OK button. So there you go, and then select file here where you want to save your video, for example here, right, and click on save. Coding the video, and you just have to wait until this video is saved. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.